controls the MIC? Is the KEY2R anger management in the New World Order? Perhaps someday our ability to love won't be so limited. You human, all the way your distortion per our ability to piece it. Devastation leads us inside our way. Man is a period and his path from the verge of the eve of destruction. Yeah, all the way. War free has begun. AT mutually assured destruction. Controls the MIC? Is the KEY2R anger management in the New World Order? World War III has begun. Mutually assured destruction. MIC is the KEY2R anger management in the New World Order. Who controls the MIC is the KEY2R anger management in the New World Order. AD, mutually assured destruction. Who controls the MIC? It's the KEY2R anger management in the New World Order. World War III has begun. destruction. Who controls the MIC? Is the KEY to